Hey everyone, welcome back to Ruthvik's Daily Google Ads classes. When running Google Ads, tracking the right matrices is crucial for success. But with so many numbers on dashboard, which one really matters? So in this video, we'll cover the most important Google Ad matrices, how to analyze them for better performance, which matrices to focus on a different campaign goals. Let's dive in. So what are matrices? Matrices helps track campaigns performance, optimize ad spend, and improves conversions. So how to track these matrices? Log into Google Ads dashboard, see into Google Analytics for SEO and Google Ads support if Google Ads is connected to Analytics. Comment me down if you need Google Ads to Google Analytics video connection. I'll be posting it based on the comments. So and to track another matrices technique, it's custom reports and insights. So what are the key Google Ads matrices? So the most importantly, Google Ads matters impressions. Number of times your ad is shown to a customer is called impressions. Clicks. How many members it's click is called clicks. To total clicks on your ad. Click through rate. So click through rate minus clicks. Click rate means clicks by impressions. Number of people click by number of people shown into 100. So if your CTR is high, you get a better ad performance from Google Ads. So what is cost per click? So the amount you pay per click is called cost per click. The amount you're spending for a click, it's called CPC. So what is quality score? I have made a separate video what is about quality score and why it's important. Please check out the video. So quality score is a Google rating between 1 to 10 based on ad relevance, click through it, and landing page experience. This is a very important topic to become a good digital marketer. This is the important thing. Please see the video. And the next key matrix is ad rank. Ad rank determines your ad position, like formula is equals to bit into the quality score, and it's also about the part of quality score. And the next one is conversion rate. Conversion rate is conversions by clicks into 100. It shows the percent of users who has completed the desired action. So next one is cost per acquisition. The cost of acquiring one customer. Total spend by conversion is the tracking measure of cost per acquisition. The next matrix is return on ad spend. Revenue generated per 1 rupee spent on ads is means revenue by ad spend is what we calculate the return on ad spend. Impression share. Percentage of times your ad appeared versus how many times it was eligible to appear. This is the impression share. This is also important to know whether your ad is running on absolute top or always on top or anywhere on page. This is how we know the impression share. And the last key matrix is bounce rate. In this, we know the percent of users who are leave to landing page without taking any actions. There are more matrices available in dashboard. We'll check it out now. And these are the key matrices which we have to keep an eye when we are running on a Google Ads business account. So come to the campaign page, and in campaign page you can see columns button. Click on modify columns, and here you can see all the matrices available for yours. These are the matrices which are already available in your view page, like we have optimize and score, campaigns type, clicks, impression, CTC, average cost, bidding strategy, conversion rate, conversion cost per click. And if you want to add more columns, like I want to choose to see about the average cost. We I want to see what are the results, what are the conversions, how many are conversions we have already. I want to see all the conversions, how many members have been viewed through conversions. I want to see how many members had called. Then I need to click on them and click on apply to see the results. We to conversions, phone calls, bid strategy type, and here you can see the total overview of a campaign. If you want to see overall campaign performance which is done into this account, then you can see over here. You can see clicks, impression, average cost per click, cost. You can see the graph of it. You can also change it here by clicking it into CTR, then it gets automatically updated, and here you can check daily, weekly. You can also download it and you can select a date range. If I want to see the last 7 days, I can click on last 7 days and see how much. If I want to see custom date like from 2003 to 2025, I want to see the full data from 3 to 5, then I can also see that data over here. If I want to see all time records, if you are joining into a company and if you want to doing maximize bid strategy to custom bid strategy, then you need to see what is the cost per click, average cost per click of your all-time records of that campaign, similar type of campaigns, and choose the bidding strategy. So choosing the right matrices for the right keywords and the right time is very important. And that's it for this day. Thank you for watching till here. Please like and share and subscribe and click on the bell button.